This is happening in Hakka, Chin State, the western part of Myanmar. Today in Hakka, as the non-violent protesters are assembling in a place and rallying along the street, the council security forces use water cannon to disperse the crowd at first. So the frontliners block the road with a makeshift barricade before the vehicles so that they can demand what they want peacefully. After that, the gunshots can be heard at least 9 times. Subsequently, a lot of peaceful demonstrators are hit with tear gas, making the protesters breaking up into small groups and running in the side lanes of Hakka. The Hakka security forces, the police, and the army who work for the council opened fire rubber bullets at least 9 times, as well as throw tear gas, and used water cannon in the violent crackdown on the peaceful non-violent protesters in Hakka. Although the General Min Aung Hlaing promised genuine democracy to the country, there have been no signs of democracy in Myanmar since the first day of the announcement of the coup. The people of Myanmar's human rights have been abused in many ways across the country. From today's violent crackdown, nobody gets injured, but more than 20 youths in Hakka are arrested. The arrested number can be more. This is happening in Hakka, Chin State, the western part of Myanmar. Hear our voices. Save Myanmar. Save our next generation.